In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best MyProtein discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for MyProtein discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 15% discount off your next order, all you need to do is tap on this button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy. And you can use this promo code on your next purchase in order to get a 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called Voucher Codes. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 8% discount off your next order, all you need to do right here is select this button where it says get code. And here is the promo code right here that you can simply copy from this button. And you can use this promo code in order to get an 8% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.